Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial. I'll be discussing about how to make SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understood fully. Please continue watching until the end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks, and I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. File, new, a new solid document opens and a template, and then the parts, pick it up, and now an open space that you can sketch your drawing opens, and then let's say prompt as you pick up the prompt plane and then sketch, and then make a rectangle, and system option general open, the document properties, pick the units. Let's do the millimeter. Okay, close the rectangular stuff, and then put a dimension. That's 100, and then click OK. Let's do 0.75. The unit as in millimeter. Regenerate the model with the current value, and then click Save. And let's get out of the Smart Dimension. Now let's draw a circle onto the middle of on the bottom of the sketch. Let's dimension that as 50. Generate. Oh, let's put it as 65. Generate. Click OK. And then put this circle to remove some edges. Also this one. Put that one. And now 32. Just let it OK. And measure that one from here. 750. OK. Now let's go from here to here. Let's get the degree to 20 degree. Let's regenerate and click save the current value, and let's do some center line from here to here. I want this one to be copy on the other side, so we mirror it. The line 8 has been picked up, and to be copied on the other side. The mirror about is right here, so you see the preview, it will show on the other side, and click OK. Now we wanted to remove this one and this one, remove this one and this one, click OK. Let's make sure that one, or put the dimension of this 100, that is a millimeter. Put this one here, 55. Oops. From here to here. Like that. Also here, here. From here to here. It's 50. Okay. here to here. It's 100. Click OK. Now you see that all lines are all in black. That is fully defined. So you're looking at as a black real black lines when before you're doing an extrude. So extrude those lines. So let's do a mid plane and make it 75. Let's check if 75 is good. Let's check it. Yeah, it's good to go. The 75 thickness. Let's edit the sketch. Maybe we'll put it as 75 on this one. So we'll be a little bit shorter. Now it's good to go. Let's save it, rebuild, and then save. Exercise 183. And let's make a sketch again. Click the sketch. Click this one to make it come over to entities. And then let's do an offset from here. That will be a reverse one. Let's put it as 5. Okay. Let's do that one. Let's do the other way around. Let's move that one. Let's go on the middle or on the front. On the sketch. Let's do that one. Let's sketch that one as the entity. And then offset. Let's do it as 10 as the offset. And click OK. Now it's in the middle. So I want it to be in the middle. So if I extrude on this side and extrude on the other side, it will be equalize the extrusion. So let's extrude from here to the mid plane. And with this 75, there'll be 120 the unit as a millimeter. See that it extrude both of them at the back and at the front. Let's put it as 145. Much better. Okay. Let's continue. I wanted to make a drawing again on the front plane. Sketch. Okay. Let's do some circle. Like that. 135. The circle. From here to here, I had to remove this portion, so we'll cut it as a trim. Use the trim command. I click OK. Yeah, now there is something like a line on there. And then I wanted to draw a line, to draw a line. Oops. Let's get out of the sketch first, of the sketch 4. So let's normal to and draw a line on a sketch. Okay. Let's do a straight slot. So it's a straight slot that we're making. 25. Regenerate. From here to here. Let's say 75. From here to here. Let's do the dimension from here to here. So it will be 25 also. Regenerate. Now it's clear that you can generate now or extrude cut. Let's get out of the sketch and then picture and then sweep cut. Oops. Sweep cut is right here. So this one is the profile. Choose the profile, and now the path of direction is this one. Now it will cut from here to here. It will cut the whole thing. Let's cut it. You can see that it's been cut automatically. Let's continue. I wanted to have a drawing again here. Let's get a sketch. Let's do a rectangle. It's 50. And 25. Generate. Now I wanted to cut that one. Extrude. Next. The next of the surface is right there. Now it's been extruded. And then I want the jumper. And 6.35. Or that's about 1/4. Let's do now. Remove that one and put this one. The whole parts. Save it. And render. Let's change the color from yellow or that color, that's that cyan, and then render. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain knowledge about SolidWorks and appreciate your kind support in my YouTube channel. Please make a comment on how my tutorial gives you enough information on how to use SolidWorks. If my tutorial is okay for you, or some changes that I can improve and make videos more easy and fun to learn SolidWorks for you.